Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this really light, dewy, glowy, natural makeup. I actually used the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I ended up mixing two shades because 5 is a little too dark for me, 4 is a little light, but together they make a happy couple. I also used, it wasn't necessarily supposed to be a Charlotte Tilbury makeup tutorial, but guys, I was just feeling it, and I have a ton of products that I wanted to use, so I figured that why not? I really love the way this look turned out. My skin looks glowy, lightweight. You can still see the imperfections on this mug, and I really love the color on my lips. So I am happy, I'm ready to go. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. All right guys, so I don't really have anything like significant to do today. I have some errands to run. I just want to throw a little bit of makeup on so that I feel normal, and I just want to look really natural and dewy. So today I'm going to use my Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I have two colors. One is way darker, and I think this may be a little too light, but this is 4 and this is 5. Like, that's a significant jump. I think I need like a 4.5. So I am going to start by taking the lighter shade and just applying it to the center of my face, and then I'm going to take the darker shade and then blend that into this guy. So I feel like I need a little bit more of the 5 just to kind of take away some of that ashy look of the 4. When I first got these, I bought the 5 and I'm like, oh, it looks orange on my skin, like it's a little too dark, and I wasn't feeling it. So I'm like, oh, I'll get shade number 4, but I was not expecting 4 to be as light as it was. I'm gonna go in with my mirror just so that I can get a better look about what the color is looking like. I do like how it looks mixed though. I just feel like around my mouth it's looking a bit ashy. I think this is getting ridiculous in terms of how much of the 5 I'm putting. Maybe I should go next time lighter with the 5. I'm sorry, with the 4. I went a little ham. I took a little bit of the 5 under my eye because since it does have that orangey undertone, it's going to help counteract the darkness. Much better. Okay. I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm going to take my Sephora concealer in, I always want to say Eclair, and it's not Eclair, it is Ecru. I don't know why I have such a hard time with that. And I'm just going to take this under my eyes. And since the Charlotte Tilbury product really doesn't have a ton of coverage, I want to just make sure that I have a little bit of coverage right under my eyes and then right at the tops of my cheeks, which is where I tend to have a little bit more of the trouble areas. So I'm just going to take this, I'm going to blend it out with this brush. And this, by the way, is a Wet n Wild brush. My son didn't sleep well last night, and I'm tired. Like, I'm feeling it now. I'm on my 2nd cup of coffee. Where is my coffee? I lost my coffee. Oh, I think it's in the living room. I'm gonna have to grab my coffee because I definitely need a little bit of coffee in my life right about now. Like, I'm starting to feel like I'm crashing. So yeah, he's not sleeping well. So like I was saying, my son hasn't really been sleeping. really it was just last night. It was rough. We had a rough night. He, for whatever reason, just could not get to sleep, and I think he might be having like growing pains where he's like maybe achy. I gave him a little bit of Tylenol and that definitely knocked him out. All right guys, so I'm just taking a little bit of my Coty Airspun powder and I'm just going to hit the high points of my face. I'm just hitting the center of my face and then also setting my eyes. Like, I hardly put any powder on because I really want to keep the glow of the products that I have on. I will, however, take a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury powder, and this is in the shade medium. I'm going to take a large fluffy brush and I'm just going to hit the bottom of my face here. So that way I make sure that wherever I apply product, the next set of products is nice and dry and not like wet or tacky. And the reason I'm doing that, I didn't put any more product. I'm just literally taking whatever's left over and making sure that everything is nice and set, but you can still see the glow coming through. I want to make sure that everything is set because I don't want anything to cling. And I'm going to go in with the palette that I kept. And this is the Lovegasm palette. I ended up selling the Lightgasm because I'm like, it's just, I felt like it required too much for it to actually give me the effect that I wanted. So this is the bronzer that I'm taking, and this is a 154 brush by Smith. I really love this for bronzing. And I have been using this palette quite a bit. And I have to say, I do enjoy it. One of my friends was saying that she really wasn't too impressed with these and was hoping that they'd be better. But I think they're, well, I think that this one is fantastic for my skin tone. I really like it. And I'm not disappointed in it. Ta-da! Look at that bronze. Sorry guys, I know I just covered the screen. Whoops. Okay, this is where we're at, and this is where I am currently happy. And again, I don't want to look super overdone. I'm just gonna go in with the blush. So what I've been doing is I've been mixing these two together. So I'll take my brush and I literally just run it back and forth. Look at that glow. And then I'm bringing that up just slightly into the forehead and then the side here. Just looks really pretty. So after I took a little bit of that powder, I feel like it definitely evened out my complexion. Like, I feel like I lost some of the gray that I was seeing. Thank goodness, because I can't be walking around looking gray. I'm going to go back in with the brush I used, and I'm just going to tap around the blush just again to add some more of that dewiness to it and make sure that there aren't any harsh edges. I think I'm going to do a little bit of the highlights. Let's see. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of the gold and then just apply it here. This palette has legit been living on top of my vanity. Like, I really have been loving this. I'm going to go in with the blush brush again, just kind of blend out that gold. Alright, I need to put something on my eyelids to set it because it is driving me nuts. So I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to blend out any of the creasing that's happening. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury powder again and just dust that on my lids so that I don't have to look at this grimy creasing lid. It was driving me nuts. Okay, now I am going to do my eyebrows, apply mascara, and then think about what we're doing next. Alright guys, so I am going to go in with Pillow Talk lip liner, and on my lips I'm going to use Sexy Sienna. I want to keep it very just natural and glowy and pretty. Alright, and now for the lippy. Alright guys, this is the final look. No, it's not, because I need to put mascara on my lower lash line. Alrighty. Alright guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, the skin looks really glowy and it doesn't look like I have a ton of makeup on, and this lip is giving me all sorts of summer vibes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below letting me know if there are any Charlotte Tilbury products that you are excited about or that you absolutely love. I'd like to know what you guys recommend, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Subscribe, comment, and like, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.